The flavor of this party jollof rice can change the destiny of someone. Oh my goodness, I am not exaggerating, okay? It was absolutely good, and the taste, worth cannot explain it. It was so delicious. So today I decided to share the recipe with you, which I know very well that you are going to fall in love with it. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen. Let me start with you. I had my oil on fire, and now I've added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, and then I added my rosemary. I'll just go ahead and then give it a stir, and then we will continue with the activity. I am very happy I have you here today, okay? I'm so grateful. So if today is the first time here, we share easy recipes. Can you please smash on the subscribe button or the follow so that you can get more updates? The good news about this is that it is absolutely free. So subscribe, okay? They are not going to take any money. Thank you for doing it. At this moment, I just don't want to talk about the flavor because it smells good. Very, very, very good. But we are going to fry the ingredient for some time before I introduce the next ingredients. My returning subscribers and followers, oh my goodness, thank you so much for always spending some quality time with me here. I am so grateful. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to add is my tomato paste. I'll add my tomato paste, so please do what to add your favorite tomato paste. Okay, add it to it, fry it very well, and then we will proceed. At this moment, we are going to spend some time with it. We are going to wait for a while before our tomato paste can fry very well. When the tomato paste is well fried or well cooked, you can see that they have separated, okay? Yes, to be like you using egusi or agushi to prepare stew. The way it becomes chunky, it looks like that. So it means your tomato paste, okay, is well fried. That is how you are going to see it. So after that, I went ahead to add my tomato sauce that was in the freezer. Now give it a stir, and then we will continue. If you are still with me, thank you so much. Can you like the video if you haven't? Oh, you did that already? Thank you so much. You are amazing, okay? Yeah, thank you so much. So I'll give it a stir, and then so it melts before I add the next ingredient. Just look at that. I just love the how colorful it looks. That already tells you that the jollof rice is going to be very colorful and absolutely delicious. Now this is how the stew is looking. I scoop the oil from it, and then on top of it, and then I added my bay leaves. Okay, if you start with a lot of oil, it helps you to finish on time. It speed up the cooking process. Yes, so when you scoop it like that, you can use the oil to prepare another one, or when you are preparing another stew, you can use it. You can use it for your gari photo. You can use it for anything that requires oil, and even that, it has a lot of flavors, okay, and it is very, very nice. You don't have to discard it. I added curry powder to that. I gave it a stir, and now this is how our stew is looking. You can see that it looks very colorful, delicious, and absolutely flavorful. With this jollof rice we are going to prepare, the one requesting this, okay, does not want it to look like brown. You see that party brown jollof rice. That's the stew is supposed to be very, 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 very well fried, okay, like brown. I said stew. Now I say she doesn't want it that way. So when I get to that point, I decide to stop from there. When someone wants it this way, I continue from there when I'm preparing the jollof rice. But if the person wants it brown, I'll continue with the frying of the stew before I add my rice. I hope you understand it. So after everything, I scooped some of the stew. I added my rice, and I've added my stock. You can use any stock of your choice. If you want good, you can use it. If you want beef, you can use it. If you want fish, you can use any. So after that, I have fried the rice in the stew together with the stock very, very well. Remember, when we prepared the stew, we did not add anything salt. We did not add anything seasoning. Okay, I mean anything seasoning. Salt is also seasoning. We did not add anything like that to it because of the stock we will be adding. So as we are preparing this jollof rice, we are not going to add anything seasoning now because we don't want any trouble. So I have fried it for some time. It has been on fire for some time. This is how it is looking. I decided to add some more liquid to it, and then I will give it a stir, and we are good to go. So after you add your liquid, you have to stir the jollof rice or keep an eye on it so that it does not burn. Okay, mine did not burn. What you saw from the beginning wasn't something that burnt. Okay, but I will explain it to you getting to the end of the video. So I'll mix it like this and then ensure that the salt is enough before I continue cooking. If I say the salt, it does not mean I added salt. Okay, I'm talking about the stock we added. Okay, yes. Now this is how it looks, and like I said earlier, we will be stirring it maybe every 3 minutes so that it does not burn. Now it has been on fire for some time. This is how it looks. It looks absolutely good already, and trust me, I feel like eating it just like this. Yes, please don't forget to share this video to others. Leave me your comments in the comment section and like the video for me. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. After so many minutes checking on it every 5 minutes, this is how the jollof is looking. Now the other side that you are seeing, it looks like something that has bent. It's not something that bent. Okay, I was preparing what do you call it, kinky at the other side, and the fire coming from there was too much, so that is why the half part looks bent, but the other side you can see it's not. I will stir it and then till it is ready before we continue. Do you like the bottom part? I really love it, but if it is plain rice, wachi, bottom part, I don't like it. But if it is jollof, oh my goodness, just give it to me. Add some chilled water and then let me enjoy and then mind my business. Our jollof rice is ready. Are you going to try this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. We did not add a lot of things, we did not do a lot of things, but trust me, it was absolutely good and the person fell in love with it. Yes, just look at that, so delicious. See you in the next video. Bye bye.